Hello everyone, this is Bernice here at the Napping Mouse, and today I want to show you how to make these really sweet sour cream treat boxes over here. Super simple to make, and I decided to make something like this for, look, you see how much I've made? Kind of decorated it differently, but yeah, I made a few of these, and so I was deciding that this should be really sweet and fun to give during Halloween. Yes, I'm actually thinking about Halloween at this time. And the collection that I'm using, this is an older collection. This is from BoBunny, and it is called Let's Play, or this one is Game On Collection. And I'm using the 6x6 sheet of paper pad here that's got various decorations. Really cool paper. They all are one-sided, sorry about that, but yeah, we'll be using this collection over here, and then also we're going to be using the craft dies from BoBunny also, and that is called Let's Play. Okay, so the things that you'll need here are the one 6x6 pad, the die set over here, a trimmer, some dimensionals over here, or foam dots, no, excuse me, dimensionals, please, it's dimensionals. Some treats that you have, and I got like a few different treats from the dollar store over here. This actually was from the market, and they had various ones, but yeah, just the mini size treats, the glue, the Big Shot, and some scissors. Okay, so let's get started. The one that I decided to use is this one over here, and I am using the soccer one because my father, and actually my dad, was a referee, a high school referee a while ago, back in the mid 80s when I was going to high school. Yeah, so he went ahead and, well, this is a tribute to him. So anyways, we'll get out our trimmer over here, and what we're going to do is at 4 inches we are going to cut. Save this piece here because this is the one that we run through the die machine, or we can use it as embellishment. So yes, save this, just set that aside, and then go ahead and curl up your paper here. See it that way, but yeah, curl up your paper here, and then apply some glue at the edge. So this is going to be 4x6 here. So at the 4-inch side, the top, on the where the design is at, we're going to carefully apply glue to the edge, and I try to get it to the edge, the very edge that I can, and I'll show you why in a minute. And they'll go ahead and fold it over. And I fold it over about, let's say, 1/4 of an inch. Make sure that the glue really secures itself. Well, it's a little bit less than 1/4 of an inch, but I don't know if you can see that right there. Yeah, so that's what I do. And then go ahead and press to adhere this. Okay, that should be good here. Whoops, let's get this side. Oh, need more glue. This glue is great, but sometimes it dries really fast, so. And then, again, there we go. Oops, there we go. Okay. Awesome. And then on the, well, this particular design doesn't matter whether it's top or bottom because you can't tell, but just make sure that on the bottom side, well, I guess it really doesn't matter, but I always work on the bottom side. Okay, so the seam over here, make sure that that's in the middle, and then you'll just pinch, and then make sure it's just like maybe a 1/4 of a way down like that, and then open back up, and then apply glue to the inside edge. Just one side is fine. Make sure it's all, and then go ahead and close it up. I try to make sure that it's really spread inside, and that not that much is oozing out. Okay, that is secure. Okay, then we're going to add our candies here. Let me see. Actually, a nerd will fit here. I am kind of surprised. I got a, that too is fine. Okay, awesome. Now, once you get your candy in, go ahead and pinch. Now here, you see here where the seam is at? I'll try to get where the seam is, and that will be like in the middle. And the same thing that you did to the bottom, now you'll do to the top. Just apply glue on the edge over here, and then kind of make sure it's spread on the inside. And this is easy to actually do an assembly line. So what I did is I got a few pieces of paper, and then I cut it at 4 inches, separated those two aside, and then went ahead and glued here on the top, on the side, and then just kept going. And I mean, it was great. Then my daughter helped me put the treats inside as I was gluing it. So it really does go pretty fast. There we go. Okay, that is the sour cream box. Now, if you stop right here, I just think you got a really cute piece, especially for Halloween. You know, they're going to look at it and they're just going to think that it's just something really special, and it looks like it's a surprise. You can add like a little note in there too, like a nice positive note, like go team, or stay safe, or whatever positive note you want to give. But yeah, that's that right here. So now what we'll do is create this piece over here, and I'll get the Big Shot, and I decided to use this paper right here, which I got from this sour cream box that I created. So yeah, I try to make sure that nothing goes to waste. And then I got this piece over here, which is part of the collection, the Game On collection. So I'm gonna, kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone over here. So I'm gonna cut this, make sure the dies are, the ridges or the lip over here is actually facing down when you go ahead and cut. So both of these are down onto the paper. And then this particular Sizzix Big Shot is actually from Stampin' Up, and this is from my Stampin' Up days. But Sizzix still makes the same Big Shot, and it's just in a different color. And actually I have a few of those at the store. Okay, so when you do this, just make sure that it's on the top platform where it says the framelits over here. And then we're going to just pretty much make a sandwich. We'll take our acrylic plates over here and put that in the middle, run it through the Big Shot, and I usually like to do it forward and backwards. And then once I get that, I have got my piece. Yay! And then I can use this embellishment for later, but at least, I'm not constantly cranking up the Big Shot here and making myself tired. Actually, I guess that's a form of exercise. But okay, so since we're working on this one here, let me set this aside and get my scissors here. Okay, I'm gonna actually find the soccer one. They've got soccer, I think this is volleyball and baseball. They have football, basketball. So yeah, it's pretty much got a lot of teams covered here, or a lot of sports covered, excuse me. All right, so let's just cut this. Whoops, kind of cut it a little bit too much. All right, then I'm going to set that aside, get one of my dimensional, and you really just need one. Set that aside, get that piece out of the way. Line this up. Awesome, awesome, that is so cute. Okay, and then just add a little bit of glue here. If you accidentally see my hair, I do apologize. Oh, that'll be cute right there. Okay, the other one I did it the other in a different way, but yeah, I'll just add it like this. Okay, actually, maybe if you make a few of these, you can actually have like a flag going here or going over there. That would be super, super cute. But that's it, folks. Look how fast that was. And again, here are all of my other ones that I created. This one, I used the locker room over there. But yeah, this is it. Look how fun that is. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like what you see, go ahead and please hit the like button. I would love to hear from you and hear what you think about this particular project. And also let me know what other projects you would like to see. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.